न पूछो ज़माने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं।
Our failed business shows what does not work. Our rejection teaches resilience. Some of the most successful people were afraid. Voices were suppressed. Freedom felt distant. ये सपना तुम्हें सिखाती है कि जीत सिर्फ कोशिश करने वालों की ही होती है।
क्या बात है, जबरदस्त।
न पूछो ज़माने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, न पूछो ज़माने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। लहराएगा तिरंगा सारे आसमान पर, भारत का नाम होगा सबके जुबां पर, कहेंगे सब मिलकर वंदे मातरम। A warm and a beautiful evening to my intellectual trainer, having an amazing splendid evening to all my dear friends, folks and pearls. Thank you so much, sir, for calling me on the stage and giving me this wonderful opportunity for being here. And thank you so much, all my dear friends, for being here also. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, myself, Meena, and today I stand before you to speak on a slogan that is not just a line but an emotion, Vande Mataram. This year is a very special because Vande Mataram completes its 150 years since it was first written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1875. And there is a beautiful quotation that says, "A nation's strength does not lie on its weapon, but in the love its people carry for their motherhood." Vande Mataram means I bow to the mother. Here the mother is our motherland, India, are not merely a salute, but they are a promise of loyalty, gratitude and courage to our motherland. When these words first spread across the country, India was under British rule. People were afraid, voices were suppressed, freedom felt distant, and hope seemed fragile. But the song became the heartbeat of courage. It gave the young, the old, the ordinary and the extraordinary the strength to rise, unite and fight to freedom. Freedom fighters like Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and countless others sang the song with the pride. During protests, marches and movements, the chant of Vande Mataram filled the air with the spark of hope. This is not just a patriotic line. Yes. It is India's first national song and the spirit of our national unity. If Jana Gana Man give us unity, then Vande Mataram give us courage. The song beautifully describes India as a mother full of natural beauty. Her flowing rivers, green fields, cool breeze and golden harvest. Even today, the rhythm of Vande Mataram reminds us of our culture, our values and our duty as citizens. As we celebrate 150 years as the historic creation, let us remind us that patriotism is not only shown by shouting slogans, but by our action, respecting our country, protecting our environment, helping each other and becoming responsible citizens and students. I would like to end with the famous line of the song itself. Sujalam Shuflam Malaja Shitalam, meaning the land that is full of water, full of fruits and cool by gentle breeze. This is the India we preserve and this is the India we serve. Thank you so much for lending me ears and Vande Mataram.
Fabulous. Outstanding, man. It's really great and fabulous, right?
हार से मत डरिए तो किस्मत का इशारा है, हर शिकस्त के पीछे जीत का गुजारा है, जो गिरकर भी मुस्कुरा दे वही असली सितारा है।
क्या बात है, वेरी गुड।
Good afternoon to the respected and honorable trainer and my dear friend. Thank you, sir, giving me wonderful opportunity for speaking on this stage. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Priya, and today I am talking about why failure is the best teacher. Let's be honest, no one likes to fail. It's uncomfortable, embarrassing, and sometimes even painful. But here's the truth: failure is not opposite of success. It's part of success. Yes. Think about how we learn to walk as a baby. We fail over and over again, but did not quit. We learn, we adjust, and eventually we walk and never look back. Same rule applies on life. नाकामियों का डर छोड़ो, क्योंकि यही तुम्हें मजबूत बनाती है। हर फेल हुआ सपना तुम्हें सिखाती है कि जीत सिर्फ कोशिश करने वालों की ही होती है।
क्या बात है, जबरदस्त, फैबुलस।
Every failure teaches us something. A missed exam teaches us how to prepare better. A failed business shows us what does not work. A rejection teaches us resilience. Some of the most successful people in the world failed a lot. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. What made them different? They learn from their failure. They show it is not dead end, but as a stepping stone. So next time you fail, did not get discouraged. Get curious. Ask, what did I learn, and what can I do different next time? Because at the end of the day, failure does not define you. What do you after failure does? चलने की कोशिश तो करो, दिशाएं बहुत है, बिखरे कांटों से ना डरो, तुम्हारे साथ दुआएं बहुत है. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid of never trying. Never trying. Failure is the stepping stone to success. Thank you.
क्या बात मैम, जबरदस्त. लेडीज डे बाय डे.